finally received the Oculus Quest 2 and I cannot wait to open it. I pre-ordered last month, and this headset is released on the 13th of October, and I have received today, which only takes 1 day to deliver. Amazon delivery is so much reliable than the AU Post. Now it's the time to do the second layer unboxing. Okay, it has an instruction here. Open this way. So it comes with the headset. I think this is the charger, and 2 controllers. It says on the lens, no sunlight on lenses and no liquid cleaners. It's covered in plastic. Just removing it. So the switch is on the right side. It has an instruction about how to use the controllers. It's glasses spacer. Should you see this? Oops. But I think my glass is still too big to fit in. Maybe because my head is really big. If you put your glass in first and then put it on, it works. My controllers. Have to remove this part. In this, you can see the instruction tells you how you can pairing your controllers. Let's remove this part. It is amazing that I'm wearing the headset, but I can still be able to see through this gap here. Now it's a language setting parts. They both have 2 triggers and some buttons on the surface. Okay, your headset is updating to the latest version.
How long does it take?
It may take several minutes. You can remove your headset, okay? You would need to download the Oculus app to pair your device, and you have to log in with a Facebook account. The reason I really want to buy this headset is I really want to play the game called Beat Saber. It's available on other VR headset as well. One of my friends, he played this game for maybe a month or 2 months, and he lose a lot of weight. so it's a inspiration for me to do some more exercise. Look, if you get closer, you can see here are some cameras or sensors here. So when you set up your boundary, you can use the controller to draw a circle. That's your safe zone. If you step out of the zone, those cameras will show the real world. It will protect you from hurting yourself. I'll need to play more to give it a better review in the future. Thanks for watching this video. See you!